I've had my Thursday captain boots for about 18 months now. Just a weekend wearer really, not a daily wear. Um, they're in the Arizona Adobe Rugged and Resilient, and they're starting to look quite dry. Thursday tell you not to condition them, just to keep them clean. If they get really dirty, you might want to shampoo them, but I'm not so sure. If you look at YouTube sites like Stridewise or Trenton and Heath, they will give you advice that goes a little bit beyond then, but not too much, and they're certainly not putting conditioner on this leather. I thought I would give it a try. Now, Trenton and Heath in particular know what they're talking about, and the reason why they're not suggesting you use conditioners is because there's a good chance you're going to darken the leather. But I found that mine were looking so dry, so needing of hydration, that I needed to do something about it. Let's see how we get on. These boots aren't too dirty, just a bit dusty, so just a soft horsehair brush it over, having taken the laces out, and that's preparation. It's probably a good idea to test a small area, maybe on the tongue, let that dry off so that you've got an idea of where we're going with this conditioning. Now, the product I'm using is Sapphire Oil Leather. They do a cream out of a jar, which I've not used on this leather, or out of a bottle, and that's what I'm using. Now the conditioner is applied, we can leave it for 24 hours. You might want to buff it off after that, but I found that it looked good, and my experience is that it restored it more to the original than it had naturally worn to with the patina that you get. I think the patina is deeper, the colours are deeper, and I'm really pleased with the result.